Hello, fellow train enthusiast. Well, I know you haven't heard from me in a while on the El Tarasco, but as you can see, this is what is left of the El Tarasco. Yes, it is down for a rebuild, and I think that'll be a lot of fun. I just wanted to free up some space here in the room, and what you see over here on the pink foam is potentially what it's going to be. Now, it's away from the wall right now, but it's going to be pushed up against this wall, and I will have some continuous running on it. Now, whether the track plan will be in this form, I don't know. A lot of this is to accommodate Los Angeles Union Station. Now, the dilemma is, do I really like this dog bone arrangement? Because I do lose space for switching. And of course, it's a lot of fun to switch. And it's also a lot of fun to watch trains go around in circles. Now, you wonder why the room might be gray. I painted the room because it was desperately needed. And I used the light gray because I found that when we were working at the Pink Palace Museum and displaying the trains, that all the exhibit halls had a dark colored wall, which made the rest of the exhibits shine. It made them look good. So that will help expose the backdrop once I get it up. Now I need your help, because I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and put this on shelf brackets and just do a point-to-point, or go ahead and use the dog bones and do that. But the reason I say that is because over on this wall, which is about 17 feet of available space, okay, will be the end scale. And the end scale will be pure Pacific Coast California with the beach and the whole bit. And then I may run a little 1 foot wide section past the window and around, and maybe over the top of the HO, and have a yard for the inn over here. So in other words, 2 railroads. Now, there won't be anything in the window except for that section and a couch or a little someplace to sit for our friends. When they come over, we can enjoy conversation, have our coffee, run some trains. Now, you might want to look here on the potential of the new El Tarasco. You might notice the blue tape. Well, the blue tape marks off where I want the control pit, because I'm going to have to get in there and reduce the width of this in order to be able to reach the trains and the track. And I don't know, I may have to use some tortoise switch machines. I just don't know. Anyway, I'd like your input on whether I should just make a point-to-point switching layout and put the N over the top of it, or go ahead and continue on with this balloon arrangement and this dog bone thing, which at the moment, unless I see it operate, I'm not quite sure I want. But I do want the N scale, because there's a lot of expensive N scale trains that I have. So at any rate, hope you enjoy this. This is part 1. We'll see how it comes out. And just drop me a note if you can on YouTube here, and let me know what you think. Have a good day, guys.